Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all the latest news and updates. Hello, you have logged into One India News and this is Mariam. The Mamata Banerjee government on Friday said that Durga Puja committees would have to take permission from police to immerse idols on October 1st, that is the day of Muharram. The decision comes a day after Calcutta High Court allowed immersions on all days from Vijayadashmi starting September 30th, putting on hold the restrictions on idol immersion imposed by the Bengal government to avoid overlap with Muharram processions. West Bengal Home Secretary said, the court has said two things. First, there is no mention of idol immersion on Ekadashi, which is October 1st. Second, the court has said that immersions and processions should be allowed as found permissible. Therefore, depending upon circumstances and situations wherever found fit, permissions will be granted. Wherever there are problems, permissions will not be granted. The state government said the police have the discretion to grant permission for idol immersion on October 1st. The decision was taken at a high-level meeting chaired by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The BJP, however, claimed that the High Court had said that permission would have to be granted for immersion on October 1st. West Bengal BJP General Secretary Sayantan Basu said it would file a contempt of court case against the state government if it did not grant permissions. BJP General Secretary claimed that the court said permission would have to be granted. The state government can change the route of the procession, but it cannot deny permission. If we get a single report of permission being denied, we will file a contempt of court case. Mamata Banerjee held a meeting with the top government officers on Friday. Sources said she asked the police to draw up alternate routes for idol immersions and Muharram processions well in advance. That's all. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News.